Prodescom Rotomoldeo, rotational molding technology at your service. At Prodescom, we have been manufacturing custom plastic parts and products for other companies for over 25 years. There are many advantages that make rotational molding an ideal solution. Our 6,000 square meter facilities include 3 rotational molding lines, workshop, technical office, warehouses, and all the necessary equipment to give our clients the highest level of quality, service, and satisfaction. We work for the main sectors of the industry. There are many renowned clients who endorse us. Alicante Airport and Marine Cargo Port are only 30 minutes away. Your product from Alicante to the rest of Spain and Europe in the shortest possible time. Prodescom Rotomoldeo, rotational molding technology at your service.